Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, let's say someone lies and he says that, Allah, if I'm lying, then I will give you all of my good deeds on the day of judgment. And let's add two more possibilities to this. One where the person thought he was not lying, but turns out he was lying. And one where the person was doubtful that maybe he was lying, maybe he was not lying. But he said that, Allah, I will give you all my good deeds in all these three cases. What happens now to all these three people?
Ya akhi, you don't have any control over your good deeds being accepted, let alone having the ability to transfer it. I pray, I fast, I read the Quran, I do dhikr, and I don't know whether Allah will accept this or not. Now you expect me to say, listen, I'll give you 20% of my good deeds on the day of judgment in exchange for this and that. This is insane. Nobody has the ability to do this. Otherwise, we would go to people and say, read the Quran, and say, I give the reward of the Quran to my grandfather who's deceased. I'll give the reward of my prayer to my father who died last week, and so on. This doesn't work like that, number one. Number two, you have to be insane to say that I swore and I said that I'll give you all of my good deeds on the day of judgment, thinking I was not lying, but then I was doubtful, but then I'm not sure if I was lying or not, but then I wasn't lying. Hello? You have a problem, akhi. Either you were certain that you didn't do this thing or that, or you weren't certain. So someone comes to me and said, give me 10 riyals. And I remember clearly that I don't have any riyals in my pocket. So wallahi, I don't have any riyals. And he goes, and while reaching out to my pocket, I found 50 riyals or 100 riyals. And then I remembered that, oh, somebody else gave me the money and I put it. But initially when I swore, I didn't have any. I thought I didn't have any. In this case, I'm not sinful for that, and Allah knows best.